In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a color palette in Affinity. Now, the easiest way to do this is whenever you're in here inside Affinity, you want to switch over to Vector, top left, and then you want to go to Swatches. In case you don't see that, you want to click on this drop-down menu. You want to go down here to where it says Panels, and you want to scroll down to the bottom, and under S here, it's going to say Swatches, and make sure you actually toggle this on to be able to see it. When you see Swatches here, just click on that, and then you want to click on this drop-down arrow again, and then here you can actually create a palette from either image or document, okay, which is very good because it automatically does it. Now, of course, you could also go ahead and add your own palette as well over here, and you could duplicate them, rename them, whatever, but you can just click on create palette from image. You can select your image, and you can go ahead and just, of course, select it from your gallery. I'm gonna do this one over here, my logo. Click on open, and it's gonna basically show you the colors inside that image. You can select how many you want to have, then you can do preview as well, and then you want to click on the location. I'm going to do the application, and then I'm going to click create, and as you can see here, I now have my color palette over here with all the images inside of that image. I mean all the colors inside of that image. So that's how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.